And today we will see how we can install the Kubernetes using Docker Desktop. So let's get started. For that, first we have to start the Docker. So I'll go to Docker dashboard. It looks like this, and we'll go to settings and we'll go to Kubernetes, and we have to just say enable here and show the system container if you want, and just make sure you'll apply and restart, and it will take some time. So now it's installed. Let's see how we can test that. So let's open the terminal and we'll write kubectl-version, and it will show the client version as well as it will show the server version. You can say get ports. So we don't have anything. So that's the reason we cannot see anything. But in the going forward videos, I'll show you how we can install the Kubernetes desktop, and then we can do all that sort of deployment. I have a lot of content for that. Stay tuned for that. Thank you.